Ke Little Angel Secondary School Jowai ke wadas dang ye lehkmen dap arpau snem ilai luti ke skur na do ubenai mach araja arpau su. Haka arpau su teri guni ubenai mach wan araja arpau san de Pynhaap pyrda no ko ye lehkmen hewa wailan miki shella MLA ke Jowai u waman le ucaman ke muda dan manu kamu kongsan kabayan bela Additional Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hill District kam kesemput kongsan he amlang ke APSIM di SEO West Giant Hills ki wasikai ki kena askur ki bai ki payong ki kena askur ki wachakut sengau bahawa ki wi. Wailat miki shella we ye kelam kamu kongsan da yero ye laluti we ku geni keskur nei por cepor nei baha kam keskur ki brusamen hi mto iwasuk upalai bait pelai renti yaka we sengau thu wahap mat cibuni e ikho he laluti. Hejo ipor yero ule ye ki waseng wasdang ye keni keskur wa emgi ke mensim raikun mensim krechtam nei bentau e chakri langba istat itim. Hei to wei pure puthi ongu wawat nei liang ke sorkar le ang nut ko wo kuntu kunrong ye ka kamte nei bentak iskur semen le perchanggo u e kerchan kat wajo wajam ibor wei nei bentak ni ke skur le de yarap ke sorkar hei dur ke sains kran wa nei benta u ne ke wasikai de kerchan sutulob de ke sorkar han lakate le ongus ngau thu bai mpuman iwabiang dang buni em kam o bento pentene kam te khana wada em ya kalam hapo ka sorkar heya to wa ipure puthi wakat wa im kat ni ha ka juk yakob wa jor bha nei te idaw ki tu skur wa yi ule bha hab utimit karpang ya ki kat wa ya ki wa mi ule bha wan hab wo sli binya wa iwan iru kom wole hagani ke singi de em le ichat irwai wa chimbenta da ki khana skur we da sam price le chaki wa job ha yakob wa pher oda penman ha gi chisnem lenter kam chibenta ile kemendap arpau san snem nei wa wan chimbenta lang ki witawan ki skur hejo ipor da pengku buram haro ka skur ya ki khana awale bah he pore puthi kam ju ki wa yo ra nam he kerdan wa pher
Now let's give them a round of applause. Clap your hands. Please, Karan. Secondary School Jowai. Diamond Lang Suchiang of HKSing Memorial Higher Secondary School Jowai.
We have almost 15,000 plus schools, including government, private, semi-government and so on. 15,000 plus schools. And if you compare to other states like Tripura, where we have more or less equal number of population, they are hardly have 2,000 to 3,000 schools. So you can understand the challenges of the government. And many of these schools is being supported in one way or the other from the government. even in this school also, very they have a science grant, where one teacher is supported from the government, which I know it's not enough, but we are trying our level best, and that's why there have been a discussion in the government, especially under the education department. Since we are living in the time of competition, the competition is very high. So that's why, for those schools who perform, we should reward them, and those schools who don't, then we should streamline them. That's why the government have decided to do the rationalization, where if there are more number of students, teachers will be sent to that school, and where the schools where the students are very less, the teachers will be taken from that schools. Just like I've said, since the competition is so high, so for those schools who perform, we should reward them, and for those schools who don't, then we should streamline and put some kind of should take some kind of action. So, since there were, like I have mentioned, I was expecting a long list of memorandum. Since there was no mention, which I'm quite sure, I think the principal and the school managing committee will be coming very soon to meet me after the speech. From my side, I'll try my level best. And no doubt, I was discussing with Kong and Lut, she has been trying, and in the past, and even our honorable MP of Rajya Sabha also have promised to help the schools, and from my end also. But for that, I have to see from your end what you will be asking, and I will try my level best to support in whatever possible way. But today, I cannot promise anything, because it's like a blank check in front of me. I may not know what you'll be asking, so it's not wise for me to promise. But I'll be there to assist and help you in whatever way I can. But I can promise what I can do. So since we are living in this age of digital age, so that's why there is a discussion with the district administration that we will be procuring this computer